For those of you not aware, this is an original I wrote called Suzanne. Make sure to listen to the song so you could decide if it's a piece that you would like to learn. It's a really nice choice for beginners because it starts off very easy and it progresses in difficulty a little bit, but never gets too hard. So I'm going to start with the right hand. We're going to be looking for an F sharp. To find an F sharp, look for the 3 black notes, and we're going to take the leftmost black note in that sequence. We actually want to position our hand so that we're covering 2 F sharps, one with the thumb and one with the pinky. And the higher F sharp is the 3rd one down from the right of the piano keyboard. Okay. So starting in this position with the thumb here and the pinky here, we're going to start by playing the F sharp with our pinky. And then we're going to play the lower F sharp with our thumb. From there, we're going to play this A sharp with finger number 2. So we have, and for this first part, we're only going to be playing those 3 notes, and here's the pattern. So it's finger 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Again. Okay, so we have 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. And we're going to do that whole thing twice. 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. And then we're going to do almost the same thing again, except this A sharp is going to change to a B, again with finger 2. And we're going to do exactly the same thing. 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. So from the beginning, we have, again, and now to the B. And then this last part is going to change a bit. So for the last part, we're going to go to the F sharp again, but then we're going to use finger 1 or our thumb on the C sharp, and then we're going to go up to D sharp, F, F sharp. So C sharp with finger 1, D sharp with finger 2, F with finger 3, F sharp with finger 4. So again, F sharp with finger 5, C sharp with finger 1, D sharp with finger 2, F with finger 3, F sharp with finger 4, and then we're going to go back down, F, D sharp. So we have, and one more note, we're going to go to the F again with finger 3. So we have, from the beginning, and that whole part is going to repeat twice. And then we're going to finish this part on the F sharp with finger 4 at the end. So let's do it again, just a little bit faster. The left hand for this part of the song is very simple. When we're doing the first part of the song, the left hand is going to be playing 2 F sharps. Notice it's the same as the F sharps we're starting with in the right hand, just an octave lower. That is going to be held down the whole time we do that first sequence. And then when we switch the right hand part slightly to the B instead of the A sharp, the left hand is going to move from the 2 F sharps to 2 Bs. So we have and then to 2 Bs. And then for this last part, we're going to go to 2 C sharps. And the left hand is holding down those 2 notes each time. And it's going to repeat that twice. Let's do it from the beginning. And then when we play the F sharp with finger 4 in our right hand, the left hand is going to play a single F sharp with the pinky. And then it's going to go into the verse of the song from there, which we'll cover in the next lesson. I want to finish this part by adding some pedal. We're basically going to press the pedal down every time the left hand changes. So every time there's a change, we're going to release the pedal and then press it down again. We're going to start with the pedal right away as soon as we start the song. So pedal, 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 pedal. Let's do the whole thing one more time with the pedal. This time I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to play the part.